Good morning, children. This is Geography, Civic Education, and History class. In this class, you can learn Geography in English medium, Civic Education in English medium, History subject in Sinhala medium. It means you can learn three subjects in one class. For all the subjects, these type of tubes are provided to you. You have to write all the notes in these tubes. There are 24 pages in this tube. Our first lesson is geography. First lesson, immediate surrounding of your school. Right? I hope that you can see the screen clearly. You are going to learn about your school. This is a picture of your school, and you are going to learn about your school. Our first lesson is the school and its immediate surrounding. පාසල සහ අවට වටපිටාව surrounding කියන වටපිටාව immediate කියන්නේ ආසන්න. Right? School and its immediate surrounding. Again, you can see your school. In this lesson, you want to learn the province of your school, district of your school, divisional secretary division of your school. ඔබේ පාසල පිහිටි ග්‍රාම නිලධාරී sorry ප්‍රාදේශීය ලේකම් කොට්ටාශය මොකක්ද කියලා දැනගන්න. And finally, ග්‍රාම නිලධාරී divisions of your school. Right? Again, you can see the province, districts, divisional secretary divisions, and grammar divisions. But all these four together called administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. ලංකාවේ පරිපාලන කොට්ටාශ. How many administrative divisions in Sri Lanka? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. What is the largest administrative division? Provinces. What is the smallest administrative division? Gramanaldari division. And what is the second largest, third largest? Hope that you understood those concepts. Okay, දැන් ඉගෙන ගමු මෙව හැදලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. පළාත හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? දිස්ත්‍රික්කය හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? Divisional secretary division හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? ග්‍රාමධාරී division හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. So this is a map of Sri Lanka. You can see the part of Sri Lanka is separated. Okay, it is a big part. So the name of that one is a province. එහෙනම් පුතේ පළාත හැදෙන්නේ ලංකාවෙන් කොටස් කිහිපයක එකතුවක් තමයි ලංකාව. ඒ කියන්නේ ලංකාව හැදෙන්නේ පළාත් වලින්. How many provinces in our country? 9 provinces are there. Right? Look at the next one. Again, you can see this is a province. And the next one, these two pictures, what are they? They are districts. District කිහිපයක් එකතුලා පළාතක් හැදෙනවා. පළාත තුල district තියෙනවා. Smaller one district and the larger one provinces. Now look at this side. Again, you can see first one, it is a province. And this one is a district. The district is also divided like this. District is also divided. Like this. They are called divisional secretary divisions. Divisional secretary divisions. Then the largest one province, second largest one district, and the third largest one divisional secretary divisions. But again, divisional secretary divisions are also divided. They are called Grama Nilidhari divisions. එනම් පුතේ පළාත් දිස්ත්‍රික්ක divisional secretary divisions ග්‍රාමධාරී divisions හැදෙන හැටි දැන් පැහැදිලි. කොහොමද හැදෙන්නේ? ග්‍රාම නිලධාරී divisions කිහිපයක් එකතු වෙලා divisional secretary division එකක් හැදෙනවා. divisional secretary division කිහිපයක් එකතු වෙලා district එක හැදෙනවා. district කිහිපයක් එකතු වෙලා පළාත් හැදෙනවා. පළාත් කිහිපයක් එකතු වෙලා ලංකාව හැදෙනවා. How to express in English? Sri Lanka made of several provinces. Several කියන කිහිපයක්. Sri Lanka is made of several provinces. A province is made of several districts. A district is made of several divisional secretary division, and a divisional secretary division is made of several Gramanadhari division. Then the largest one, province, smallest one, districts, smallest one, Gramanadhari division, and the second largest district, third largest divisional secretary divisions. එහෙනම් පුතේ ඒ කොටස් ටික තේරුණා කියලා හිතනවා. Look at this one. This is a province, and this is a district, and this is a divisional secretary division, and this is a Gramanadhari division. All these four together මේ හතර එකට එකතු කරොත් ඉස්සරලත් කිව්වා කියනවා වචනයක් administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. Administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. How many administrative divisions? 4. හරි. දැන් දරුවනේ tute එක ගමු. In this tute you can see the first page like this. There is a box. In this box you can see provinces, districts, divisional secretary divisions, and Gramanadhari divisions. There is an arrow and there is a blank box here. මෙවට කියන නම ලියන්න ඕන. Hope that you can write answer. The answer is administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. Administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. Right? That is the first activity. Now look at the second one. Here you can see administrative divisions, district, divisional secretary division, Gramanadhari division, and provinces. Here, order of size. Size එකේ පිළිවෙලට ලියන්න. If you think that districts are the largest one, you have to write number 1. If you think that the districts are the second largest one, you have to write number 2. If districts are the third largest one, write number 3. And if they are the smallest one, write number 4. Accordingly, districts are the second largest one. Divisional secretary divisions are the third largest one. Gramanadhari divisions are the fourth or the smallest one. For the better to write a smallest word also. Smallest. And the provinces are the largest one. You have to write number 1 and better to write that word also. Right? Then you can write answer for the next questions as well. What is the first one? How many? How many administrative divisions are there in Sri Lanka? How many? Provinces, district, divisional secretary divisions, and Gramanadhari divisions. How many? 4. Answer is 4. Name the largest administrative divisions. Very simple. Answer is provinces. Name the smallest administrative divisions. Answer is Gramanadhari divisions. How many provinces are there? ලංකාවේ පළාත් කීයද? මම නම් කිව්වේ නෑ ඒක. හැබැයි ඔයාලා ශිෂ්‍යත්වයට ඉගෙන ගත්තානේ. How many provinces? 9. How many districts in Sri Lanka? 25. Now the first page of the tute is over. It is very simple. Okay. Now let's move to discuss the second page. Second page, right? So look at this map. Again, you can see the school and its immediate surrounding. So මේ කොටසින් උගන්වන්නේ ඔබගේ පාසල පිහිටි පළාත ලකුණු කරන්න. දිස්ත්‍රික්කය ලකුණු කරන්න. Divisional secretary division ලකුණු කරන්න ඕන. ග්‍රාමදාර division සිතියමක ලකුණු කරන්න ඕන. ඒකයි මේ කොටසින් target කරන්නේ. Look at the first one. This is the identify the location. Location කියන්නේ පිහිටීම. This is a map of Sri Lanka. In which province is your school located? In which province? ඔබගේ පාසල මොන පළාතේද පිහිටා තිබෙන්නේ? So I am working in Kurunegala Malayadewa College. Therefore, I am discussing answers based on my school. ඔබගේ පාසලට අනුව ඔබ ගලප ගන්න අවශ්‍යයි. In which province is your school located? This is the location of my province. Northwestern province. Malayadewa College is in Kurunegala. It is in Northwestern province. Answer is Northwestern province, and you have to color the location of that province like this. Second question, in which district is your school located? It is in Kurunegala district. This is the location of Kurunegala. Answer is Kurunegala district. Next one. In which divisional secretary division is your school located? Okay, but it is here. Kurunegala Malayadewa College is located in this place of Sri Lanka. But the name of that one is Kurunegala Divisional Secretary Division. And finally, in which Gramadare Division is your school located? ඒක කුරුණෑගල ගමක නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ මලියදේව පාසල නගරයක කුරුණෑගල city. Therefore, this question should be in which city is your school located? Answer is කුරුණෑගල. මෙවට උත්තර ඔබගේ පාසලට අනුව ඔබ වෙනස් කරගත යුතුයි. ඔබගේ පාසල පිහිටි ග්‍රාමදාරේ ඩිවිෂන් එක දන්නේ නැත්නම් අම්මගෙන් තාත්තගෙන් අහගන්න ඒ කට්ටිය දන්නවා. ඩිවිෂනල් සෙක්‍රටරි ඩිවිෂන් එක කියන්නේ ප්‍රාදේශීය ලේකම් කොට්ටාශය දන්නේ නැත්නම් අම්මගෙන් තාත්තගෙන් අහගන්න එයාලා දන්නවා. Right? Next one. Now go to the tube. You have to do an activity. Do the following activity in the map provided to you. What is the first one? Color in black the Gramadare division of your school. So my school, Malayadewa, is located here. You have to color in black. Color in red the divisional secretary division of your school. It is in Kurunegala. You have to color this area. Color in blue the district of your school. This is Kurunegala district. And color in green the province. And this is the Kurunegala, the northwestern province. දරුවනේ එක මේකෙන් බලන්න. Right? Do the following activity. First one, color in black the Gramadare division of your school. Okay, this is the location of Kurunegala Gramadare division or town. Second, color in red the divisional secretary division. This is the location of Kurunegala divisional secretary division. My school is located in this division, Kurunegala. Third one, color in blue the district. Kurunegala district is this one. And color in green the province of your school, this one. Okay, this is the activity you have to do in this place. ඔබගේ පාසලට අනුව ඔබ ඒක කරන්න ඕන. Hope that you understood that as well. Right? There are a few questions here. Name the province in which your school located. ඔබගේ පාසල පිහිටි පළාත. Simple. For my school, again, Malayadewa College, it is in Northwestern province. Name the district of your school. Answer is Kurunegala. Name the divisional secretary division of your school. It is in Kurunegala city. Therefore, answer is Kurunegala. Gramadhara division of the town is also Kurunegala. Right. Hope that you understood that part also. Now observe the next circular diagram. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Largest circle red color, second largest circle blue color, third largest circle yellow color, and smallest circle green color. How many administrative divisions in Sri Lanka? 1, 2, 3, 4. නම් මේ දෙක අතර සම්බන්ධයක් තියෙනවා. But the province is the largest one. Therefore, largest circle is the province. We have to draw arrow to the relevant circle. Districts should be the blue circle, divisional secretary division should be the yellow circle, and Gramadhara division is the smallest one. It is a green circle. Okay. Next one. Let's move to the tute again. This is the tute provided to you. Circular diagram can be seen. Name the administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write the largest one under number 1, second largest under number 2, and so on. Let's write answers. What is the largest administrative division? Provinces. Second largest administrative division? Districts. Third largest administrative division? Divisional secretary divisions. And the smallest administrative division, Gramanladhara divisions. Look at this circular diagram. How many circles? 4. Then province is the largest administrative division. You have to draw arrow to the relevant circle. Therefore, you have to draw arrow to the outer circle for province. District is the second largest. Therefore, this circle. This one is the third one, and this one is the fourth one. ගෙදරින් නිකන් ඉන්න ගමන් මේක පාට කරගන්න. එතකොට ලස්සන නෝටයක් එනවා. Right? පුතේ අද පාඩමෙන් කතා කරේ මොනවද? සාරාංශ අපි කරමු. What we learned today. බලන්න දරුවනේ අද අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තේ first we learned the location of your school, immediate surrounding. Under that one, what is the province, district, divisional secretary divisions, and Gramadhara division of your school? All these things together called administrative divisions in Sri Lanka. Then we learned how administrative divisions are formed. This is how they are formed. Look at this one. This is a province. Province has several districts. A district has several divisional secretary divisions. And divisional secretary division has several Gramadhara divisions. Then you can see smallest one, Gramadhara, largest one, provinces. This is the province of my school. This is the district of my school. This is the divisional secretary division of my school. And this is the Gramadhara division of my school. What are they make? right? This is the identification of location of a school. This is the district, and this is the divisional secretary division of my school, and this is the Gramadhara division or town of my school. And then we learn this one, this activity. You did this activity in the tute also. And finally, we learn this one. Province is the largest one, district second largest, this one third and fourth. So I hope that you understood the lesson clearly. Okay. Okay, this is the first lesson of geography. In future, I will send you through the YouTube some other parts of the lessons. But in this class, I teach three subjects: geography, civic, and history. Until I release the next YouTube, I wish you a happy day. Have a nice day. Bye.